Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Welcome to another in this series of Draw Along Faces, where I'm doing a whole series of faces built on this very simple oval shape with the two ears. It's just a very basic plan, but you can just do so much with it. Today I'm going to draw a character called Elize, and what I really want to do here is to show you how really simple lines and marks can create so much in a character. So this is Elize, who's looking slightly sort of alarmed, is she, maybe? I don't know. And I'm going to draw her nose just really simply like that. And she's looking a little bit worried, isn't she? So let's bring her chin just slightly down there, and then just slightly down below. And then she has got kind of cornrows, so I'm going to draw this hair is going to be like this, so it'll be quite short there, and then if you kind of go halfway around and sort of come in at an angle like that, and they get smaller and smaller, these kind of zigzaggy lines, so we're just sort of drawing cornrows basically like that. And then we're going to want to have a kind of a zigzaggy line all around the outside. So these are very basic lines, they're just zigzags. We could maybe give her some earrings as well, maybe like that, make them just slightly bigger on each side. And then we're going to give her a neck on this side, but on this side I'm going to have sort of cornrow sort of dreads coming down, maybe a little bead on the end, something like that. And here too, while I'm doing that, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload new videos to help you improve your creative skills. We can maybe give her a little necklace thing there like that. Bring her neckline around like that, and there we go, something like that. There's our armpits, and maybe a little hollow in the throat there as well. There we go. It's very, very simple. She's looking slightly worried. So let's maybe do another one. I think I'm going to kind of zoom around the whole face. Oh, I could have given her different earrings there, I suppose. And I have to keep thinking up names for all these characters that I'm drawing in this series of videos. And this one I've decided to call Elize. I don't know quite where that name came from. Here I'm going to draw her eyeballs in there as well, just so we connect. And let's draw all this hair as well. You can maybe give her a different kind of collar there this time, just for something a bit different. So now we want a completely different expression. I'm going to give her a kind of a really high eyebrow there, and one that's maybe not quite so high. See, it's kind of a bit quizzical. We'll bring her nose like that, and then a kind of a shock horror like that, and a little hint of the tongue there like that. Shock horror. And we can maybe put some little ping pings around like that, just to add to the shock and the horror. This is Elize. And there you go, how to draw another really simple face with really simple lines, very few lines. And I said before that the eyebrows and the nose and the mouth and the eyes, they sort of go together like the letters of a word. And in the same way that you can write a different word from the same collection of letters which has a totally different meaning, you can draw those things in different patterns to give completely different expressions, and that's the wonder of drawing faces. So thanks for watching. You can download and print out these sheets, get them completely free from shoorayner.com/courses, and you'll see the other faces that I've drawn there as well. You can also download this multiple sheet as well, so you can get in lots of practice and draw lots of different expressions, lots of different faces. So thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to the Shoo Rayner drawing channel on YouTube. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.